Thank you for checking out our video on how to convert your PDF into a JPEG. These instructions are for Mac users, but I will post step-by-step instructions for PC users in the comments section.
You can open your preview program and go to the menu bar at the top, select File, Open, and then you'll want to open your finished PDF. Then make sure you don't click on any of the editable sections. Go up to File, Export. You don't want to save this because if you save it, it will save over the original PDF and it will lose the proper formatting. When the window pops up, be sure you click where you would like the file to be saved. Then go to Format and select JPEG. You will also want to make sure the quality is at best and the resolution is at 300 pixels per inch. Click Save, and now you have a file that you can upload to your favorite copy center. To see more of our instant download editable items, go to creativeuniondesign.com or follow us on Instagram at Creative Union Design. Thank you for watching and have fun designing.